coming out soon. Our real tea goons. You don't know, fam. You don't know.
See, you go away, you know. Some for the vlog, no, Josh.
Current mood, you know, see.
You need to, well. But Jar done, brother. Ready to make an intro? Probably. So, just here, we have strawberry hill, and we just come to chill today because Friday was Good Friday, the 14th, and today Saturday the 15th. So that's a chill and thing. Me and Sheen and the family there. So, just stay tuned and watch some more as eat.
Ready? Roots are roots. Child with child.
The same, what there? Oh, we are chill.
You can't vlog.
Oh, we are bit.
You can't
Yeah, I
vlog
don't know.
What's up, guys? We here on the vlog. You don't know. It's your boy Daniel here in Kingston, Jamaica. And then it just clipped to our next shot. And it just goes so. We're with King Shane Savage and KyngTaj.
Hello? Yeah.
Do it for the vlog, you know?
Yeah.
So the boat on now is how much?
Yeah, we are brother. Tell him machine. Tell him so we are brother, so after match, you know the things.
Sister. What's that?
Let's go. Brother. You have the bag?
Yeah. Z.
So we're going to the river right now. Boy, she can't swim. She can't swim. Eh? Right now, we're chat to a jungle, you see it? Out there. Like a bear. Bear Indian and them things, you watch up the scene. You see it? What that? Wow.
Yes. Yes, mommy.
And jungle over there in Jamaica, the rainforest. Rainforest over there in Jamaica, rainforest. What?
What the what? You really believe in him?
Yo, what that?
This shark, this river is not as big to hold shark.
Yo, what that?
Exactly.
Yo, what that? What that? Hola. Man, I drop in a yacht. Yo, I swear I love this. What is that? What is that? Courage?
What name Courage?
Yeah, whatever. Eh?
Whoa.
This never touch my face.
What?
No, drop.
I'm blocking my face.
Yo, never watch some of them thing they way. Hold on, me a chop, hold on. They watch them something they way. The people are missing. Eh? Yeah, so we are gonna go missing, dog. Blow!
Man, when you take the picture, the last picture you're gonna take.
Yo, Daniel, I go and like send more the thing, man. I'm not hold on for I'm gonna drop, brother. Say you want me? Yeah, better you drop than me.
You alright? Huh?
Take a break, I say. So guys, so we have 5 more miles. Oh no, that was stone. It's a shame there, Shane. Oh, you look.
About this life, dog.
Yeah, we don't know this life. Yeah, for real. We prefer living at the city. Come like a rich. Oh my God, it's a beauty.
Yes, your big it is.
Yeah.
And it's better than the other one.
Yeah.
Yes.
See it there, people.
Come on, stand up here, sorry.
Then you say
It's my second time now.
I want some swim.
I already know how to breathe. Why swimming?
Woo! I'm not going to know. Jeff for food. Slide. This is so people, we're here and we are chill and we are Bill. Daniel over this, you know. Alright, so I go on Bill. Nature is it. Nature. The YouTube person. Jump now. Vai. John, my brother. So yeah, so tell the people them now. Yeah, people were there alive, you know. Yeah, I just want to use that time, yeah. I thank all of my subscribers them. I love you. I tell you the truth because the support on the give me and thing.
Without Uno, we didn't know it.
Yeah, we did it.
Which part would they know?
So, big up everybody. Big up everybody from out of the Caribbean. Big up everybody from North America. Big up everybody from South America. Big up everybody from Asia.
One big up.
Big up everybody. Hold on.
Big up somebody. Big up somebody. One big up South Florida. I big up my auntie Ezzy, my nice clean auntie.
Yeah, man, big up my auntie to big up the whole of my family. Yeah, man, so big up.
Because we have to big up our family too, because them push you and say, yo, continue doing the thing. Continue doing the thing, because we're going to make it one day. Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, big up Africa, you see me? Big up Africa.
Wait. More big up my uncle again, is it? Big up Chronics, you see it? And Kesdam.
Yeah. So big up everybody, you see me?
Yeah.
And just subscribe and stay tuned for more video. I know so I'm not releasing a video because I'm busy.
Yeah, I'm not busy, you see it? Something else pan fee mine, you see it, people? Him is working.
Anyways.
Him is working.
So, right now, I deal with a play.
Wait. More big up my brother, you see it? Julian Nice. Love you. Big up your damn self. Yeah, you can talk now.
I deal with a play called Negril. You see me I say?
Wait name?
Negril. I'm going to put it in here, so. From this moment, you will
Don't you ever mess with my money! This way. You swear, you know?
But don't watch the date though. If you can't make it for that date and for your location, you're not have to reach. But just
Stay tuned.
No, not stay tuned, but just check out my Instagram. I want to know follow me up on Instagram so you can.
Wait. Check out my Instagram to people. Cause it's hot. It's hot.
Anyways, so anyways.
Yo, you don't know.
So yeah, so when you follow me up on Instagram, you can talk to me there, so. You see me I say? Rather than me soon in the comments and ask certain questions, and you can talk to me on Instagram and we can hold a conversation. You see me I say? So follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, KyngTaj, everything. You see me I say? The link in the description. So yeah, the Negril play, I'm gonna post it. And just stay tuned for more video. We there have a nice time. We there at Strawberry Hill, by the way. Yeah, we just there have a nice time, you see it? Yeah, I'm hoping to enjoy that vlog here. We out, brother. I'm hoping to enjoy that vlog here. That vlog here just nature.
Nature is it. Look at nature.
We just socialize with nature now. Now when I do that, I don't think some bird and fly out of the jungle and everything, you see it? Wish enough people could have experienced all of this, isn't it? Not enough fun to watch. You might, isolated in some place and not really gone away, Wish many people could have, just have fun and explore certain places and know certain things as well. I feel nice. I feel nice, people. I feel nice. I feel nice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not in a sense, I know it is, I know. It's sick. Okay, so. It's not good. Man, them there play FIFA. Dog, I'm hungry. Them niggas. So right now, the man them just there play some NBA. You see it? And I'm gonna end the vlog right just now, so thanks for everybody who did watch. If you enjoyed this, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Remember to follow me up on Instagram at KyngTaj, KyngTaj. Snapchat, KyngTaj. Shane Savage. X. SHX. SHXNE. Savage _ And you, brother? Brother?
Daniel Rose _
Daniel ever change up his name?
Yeah, I ever change up his name, so. Yes.
Daniel Rose.
I change it.
Yo, Daniel ever change his name?
So yeah, people, so
Sometime
stay tuned for more. Huh?
Now put them in a thumbnail.
Wow.
IT name.
Yeah, them are, no, I'm in the description. Is it, so? We out here, you know?
We out here.
We out
We
here,
out
fam.
blood.
Affluent Kings, run it or run from it. KyngTaj.